Greetings. Have you ever smelled air so fresh that you had to take an even deeper breath, or seen beauty so perfect you didn't want to even close your eyes? Today I'm going to talk to you about the beauty, peacefulness, activities, and the blessings that the Black Hills of South Dakota can bring you. The thing I wish that I could change about the Black Hills is that it was closer to where I live. Let's look at the beauty we can see. Everywhere you look in the Black Hills, you can find beauty from the Crazy Horse Monument to Mount Rushmore to the 1880 steam train. Each place it has its own beauty and peace about it you don't want to leave. You can feel the history left in the land. It warms your heart. Crazy Horse Monument. Crazy Horse was an Ogallala Sioux war chief. He was born in the 1840s and died in 1877. His participation in several famous battles of the Black Hills War on the northern Great Plains, among them the Fetterman Fight in 1866, which he acted as a decoy, and the Battle of the Little Bighorn in 1876, in which he led the war party to victory, earned him great respect from both his enemies and his own people. That was the contributors from Wikipedia, copyrighted in 2019. Mount Rushmore. Gutzon Borglum began sculpting Presidents George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Theodore Roosevelt in 1927. The project was complete in 1941. 450,000 tons of rock was removed to create the heads of the mountain. Mount Rushmore is known as the Shrine of Democracy. The mountain was named after a lawyer from New York named Charles E. Rushmore, who came to the Black Hills in 1884 to mine gold. This information was taken from the History.com History Channel. They intended for it to be the waist up of the presidents, but they ran out of funds before they could finish the sculpting of the presidents, so it was only from their heads. Here's a statistical chart of Mount Rushmore, and it is in the millions. It is from 2008 to 2018. If you look in 2008, we were at 1.79 million visitors, and it just kept growing and growing and growing to 2018. Between 2015 and 2017, we were at 2.4 million, and in 2018 we dropped a little bit. And they are doing construction now on Mount Rushmore to widen this path here by the flags so that they can have more visitors in this path at one time. The 1880 steam train was used in the Black Hills during the central mining boom between Hill City, South Dakota, and Keystone in the 1890s. Today you can travel on the steam train and see the beauty between the two cities that you would not see otherwise. It is a great time and you enjoy the activity of being warm in the train. The train does have round trips. They do have one ways. I enjoy the trip because it is a time where you can see where they used to mine between Hill City and Keystone. Main idea number 2, Spearfish Canyon Nature Area. The Spearfish Canyon Nature Area includes Rough Rock Falls, Spearfish Falls, and Savoy Pond. The canyon is considered one of the most beautiful locations in the Black Hills. That is a quote from the South Dakota Game and Fish website. Just sitting by the falls and listening to what God created it brings so much peace for anyone. Main point number 3. He has made everything beautiful in its time. He has also set eternity in human heart. Yet no one can fathom what God has done from beginning to end. Ecclesiastes 3:11, in New International Version. The Black Hills shows the blessings God has created for us to fill our hearts with warmth. We must go and take it in its glory for ourselves and see his beautiful work. The main points I wanted to get across was main point number 1 was all the activities that we could see what the beauty of the Black Hills with a little history we could show. Main point number 2 was sitting in places that can bring us peace and with God's creations. Main point number 3 was realizing that the Black Hills are blessings from God that we must take in. Today I talked about the beauty, peacefulness, activities, and blessings of the Black Hills of South Dakota can bring you. So let's all get in our cars, take a trip for some peace, beauty, and some time away with God. If you feel like you need to become one with nature or just need a little beauty in your life, take a trip over to the Black Hills of South Dakota. You will not be disappointed with the creations of God.